Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Your guru on everything. Today we're sharing with you the butter brisket on the Oklahoma Joe's reverse flow smoker. Here's what it is. It's in the stall period right now, as you can see by the temperature. We've got a ways to go. We got to get to 165 before we wrap it, but about every hour we are doing this, and we're right at 225. Look at that brisket. It's the butter brisket, Mr. Know-It-All's butter brisket. And all you do is take a stick of butter, melt it, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some garlic powder, about a tablespoon of that, and look what you have here. And it is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. You'll never eat a brisket this good.